Become dominant with unity.
Today we live in a world where competition is increasing and everyone is caught up in the rat race. There is no shortage of news stories about people stabbing their friends in the back, both metaphorically and literally. Throughout history, success has never been easy to achieve, especially where competition is rampant. It is critical to remember that unity and teamwork are the mantras of a successful life and career. You've probably heard the phrase, "United we stand, divided we fall." Since our independence, we have realized the importance of unity. People can easily break, crush, and throw you if you are alone, but when you stand together, no one can touch you. Every business starts small, but as it grows, the number of people in that company grows too. When a group of people work together, it turns into a big and huge company. If you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together. We as humans should always stand together to become more dominating in life. Furthermore, here are 7 reasons why unity can make you more dominant in life. 1. Unity increases strength. We will face adversity in all aspects of our lives, and there is no telling when we will come face to face with someone who has nothing but malice in their hearts for us. It is fine to say and believe that we are capable of dealing with such disturbances on our own, but the task will be much easier if we work together with a friend. Consider an example from the animal kingdom. Even lions hunt in groups. The lion leads a pack of females who hunt and defend the pride when it is threatened. If the lion had to fly alone, the task of finding food and defending its existence would be far more difficult. 2. Unity is good for the workplace. In any organization, unity is critical. If everyone in the workplace is not united by the common goal of improving the company's position and business, the company will struggle to be successful. When everyone works toward a common goal, they can put aside their differences and work together to achieve that common goal. It is understood and accepted that humans will disagree, but as long as the goal is shared, it is far easier to resolve such disagreements and instead reach a compromise. In the long run, this increases the company's efficiency and productivity. 3. Unity is important in a team. In any team, unity is essential. It is critical for a team to collaborate in order to complete a task efficiently. To be successful, each member of the team must collaborate toward a common goal. If any member of the team does not follow the organizational structure, the team as a whole suffers, and the entire team falls behind on its task. Each team member is assigned a specific task, and each task is an important part of the overall picture. If one task is not completed efficiently and on time, the wheel will squeak and will not run smoothly. 4. Survival requires unity. As we all know, unity protects us from all evil doings, therefore, we should help each other and fight and face the evil and negative things together. Only when we stand together will we be free of all negativity. For example, at work, you can easily survive if your team supports you. 5. Unity helps you to grow. Nothing can grow alone. If you want to grow your business, you need team members and employees. If you want to grow your family, you need your partner. If you want to achieve something significant in your life, you must walk together. 6. Unity works miracles. We all have the ability to start businesses, but by working together, we can win. Individually, we are like a drop in the ocean, but together in unity, we are like an ocean. In this world, you will meet different people, and each different person will know something that you do not, so by understanding each other, we can learn from each other. 7. Unity gives great courage. When you see injustice, you want to say something but you are afraid, but when you get support, you become brave and stand up to that injustice and face it. You get that courage because you know you have people who stand behind you and support you against that injustice.
Thanks for watching. For more content like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.